Hey everyone, Sai here, the owner of Brown Enterprises. I want to give you guys a quick demonstration on our live TV service for those who are interested but not quite sure everything that you get. So I'm going to go through a bunch of channels here to show you guys exactly what you'll be getting.
All right. Now the home screen of our live TV app looks like this. You got live TV, movies, and series. I'm gonna go over here to live TV. One thing I do like about the app is very organized. Like everything's easy to find, and I just like the whole setup. Network TV is going to be your main category for all your regular like USA channels and your premium channels. Once you click on here, first they're going to list all of the new stuff first. Once you get past some news, starting from A&E local, it's going to list all of the channels alphabetical order. Okay, you see it comes up pretty quick. Once you click on the channel twice, it comes full screen. If you click it back, it goes back to the list. And you see we got all these channels. So I could click on a few here, guys, to show you guys that they do work. Like I said, everything's live alphabetical order. So if you want to watch, BET or whatever, you'll come down here to the B's. Sometimes you will see two links for each one. See how it says BET, then it says BET Low BW. What that means is, well, BET Low BW is the exact same link as BET. Only BET Low BW stands for low bandwidth. So if you have slower internet or if internet is giving you issues, you can click on BET Low BW, and it'll come in a little better for you. Okay. Um, and going on, like you say, you got everything. You got your Disney stuff for your kids, Nickelodeon, Nicktoons, all of that cool stuff. All your channels, all your USA channels, Hallmark. I know people like HGTV, like $25 a month, guys. You're saving a ton of money, and you're literally getting every single channel. Cool thing is, once you get past the W's down here, you get into like the premium channels, the HBOs, Cinemaxes, and Showtimes, and Stars, and all of that cool stuff. Going back up to HBO, show you that they work. You know, nothing crazy. Cinemax, Stars. Oh, and also the cool thing is, if the channel doesn't work, it'll say down for maintenance. Like if it's a live channel that's supposed to work, and if it says down for maintenance, you guys can actually report that to me, and I can get that fixed. Showtime, Stars. Like it's pretty much all here, guys. Even at the bottom of the premium channels, there's some actual Christian channels. I don't know if you guys like Christian channels, but I do have customers that specifically needed these channels in order to sign up. So those are there too. And that's the network TV category. Like I said, the network TV category it's going to be your main category for all your channels. Then you got all these sports networks over here. Starting with ESPN, there's East server and the West server, which is obviously 3 hours behind. I'm on the East Coast. So you got ESPN, ESPN2, all these sports networks, NFL Network, MLB TV, MLB Network, NBA TV. Plus you got all your college networks, like the ACC Network, Big Ten, SEC Network, all of these. Like, it's a sports fan's dream. All the UFC fight passes, you got the MSG, everything. Um, and that's all the sports networks. Now, even cooler for sports fans, we have individual sports categories down here. Right? So if I click on NFL, MLB, or NBA, or whatever it is, like for example, if I click on NBA, it's going to list all the games that come on that that night, and you just go at that particular game at that time. You'll be able to watch any game as it comes on. Obviously, it's saying playback error now because none of the games are on, but it'll just list every game that's that's going to be coming on that day, and you'll be able to watch them. Same thing with hockey. I don't really watch hockey. Same thing with baseball. Same thing with football. Awesome stuff. Down here we got some other cool stuff as well. Then we got the adult stuff over here. Obviously, I'm gonna click on that. You know what's in there. At no additional charge. And we have what's called 24/7 local. This is pretty cool. A lot of people like this. It's like kind of like a collection of marathons. So if I click on like American Dad, it'll essentially show me American Dad like all day. I mean, it's pretty cool. Man, there's a bunch of these as well. So for $25, that's essentially what you're getting. This is a legit cable replacement. It allows you to get rid of your cable bill, keep your internet, and get access to pretty much anything you need. Even pay-per-view fights, guys. Like if you watch UFC fights, boxing matches, when they come on those Saturdays on the weekend, you get access to those fights, perfect quality, at no additional charge. Um, for movies and TV shows, anyone who signs up for our live TV service, we also give them 2 other movie and TV show apps that work very, very well. You can pretty much get any movie or TV show that you can possibly think of. So this is like our service is specifically a cable replacement, but we do have apps that we do give our customers as well that we give them for free, on that give you access to all your movies and TV shows virtually on demand at your convenience. We do keep a couple of movies and series in here. We don't keep a whole lot. We intentionally don't keep a lot of movies in here because they're honestly a little risky. We don't like to have the videos on demand within our specific app, but we do keep a couple. Like we keep 77 movies and I think 184 TV shows. Um, Whatever. But that's pretty much it, guys. So let's reach back out to the person who sent you this video and get signed up.